Well, it's been unseasonably rainy. I mean, it started raining yesterday. It was raining all through last night, and it's still raining. This is just a little break in just all the rain we've been getting. But let's see what's going on. You can see the crew pit just filling up with water. There's a lot of standing water all over the place. Pete's just recently tried getting to work, but that's just not happening. Like all the vehicles. He's just spinning the tires. We're not getting any traction on these at all. Even my truck, 4-wheel drive, is not getting any traction on this in all this mud. A lot of standing water over here. We'll have to take that into account. Be aware of that. Just a little thing, never be too married to your earthworks. This is a lesson that I'm now learning, that's one thing about going big on your earthworks. Sometimes you don't maybe want to do that right away. Start small and observe how those earthworks are doing. I'll point out this one, is that originally with this basin, we had left the middle part open, and we thought water would just run right into that, but that wasn't the case. When we observed how it was when it was raining, we actually had water pooling up here and water pooling up there. So I actually filled in the middle and cut 2 little divots on the side to let the water flow right into the basin. You can see no pooling up of water on those sides. We still got water pooling up here though. It's possible I may trench that out maybe so water can flow into this basin as well. We've got some water pooling up here along the shed. That's not really a surprise. It just hasn't been filled in all the way completely since I dug it up for the wiring. So I'll try and get more material here, try and keep that from pooling like it is. That guy's hiding out from the rain. Let's head around some different areas, see what we can see out here. You can see this that area where I dug the trench from the panels going into the shed. Some more of that's sinking in with all this rain. All of our buckets are overflowing. Our little barrel's overflowing. The greenhouse is holding up. That's not doing too bad. A little saggy. The best part about being out here and living out here is just really getting to see where all that water's pooling up. How that water collects in some of these areas. This is about the lowest part of the land here, the lowest area. But it really only pools where there's a lack of vegetation. Where you got that lack of vegetation, then the water doesn't soak in quite as quickly. I'm outside, gonna try and get you some more footage here, but the rain is still coming down. As long as I've been in Arizona, I have not seen it rain this long. Whew. Look at that crew pit filling up. There's crazy amounts of water everywhere. We are definitely getting some flooding over here. Grace's trailer is crazy. Look at this. Virtual swimming pool over here. Olympic size. I'm braving the elements to bring you this latest update though. It's crazy. Look at these basins. Got water flowing right into there. Oh yeah, this is working perfectly. Working beautifully. A little bit of pooling there. I could dig that out, bring that right into here. Look at all that water collecting in those basins. So that is crazy. I haven't seen quite that much water in these basins like ever. I haven't seen it quite fill up that much. This is crazy, all this water over here. Thanks for watching, everyone. This has been the storm of the century, at least at least it has been right here. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to help us dry off a little bit. Please share this with a friend because help spread the word. Let them know that we're going to be stuck here for a little bit. Definitely subscribe. Subscribe because you want to see if we make it through. All right, everyone. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it.